I think that to be a group leader, you need to be versatile and try to be strong in several different aspects of our job. So you have to be good presenting the job to the audience, either lay public or to other scientists. You also need to be able to write it and publish it, communicate with your students in a proper way and train them is also very important. And I think that the combination of many different aspects is important to be a successful group leader and NICR. Collaboration with NICER for us is very important because it opens many different opportunities that otherwise we might not be aware or might not have access to. So thanks to NICER, now we can collaborate with other teams that have similar interests, but we can work thanks to our complementary skills together. And it also gives us opportunity to make use of the infrastructure that has been set up by NICER. So in our research, what we are mostly focused is on understanding molecular mechanisms that cause leukemia. This is a blood cell disorder. To understand what is the most interesting thing to study is to be aware of what is happening in the research field all over the world. So we need to really read a lot of literature, prepare ourselves, and think what are the research gaps that have not been addressed, and that can make us strong in our focus. So our projects are focused on understanding the development of leukemia, and what my team is doing is addressing different aspects of this topic. So each of my students or postdocs is addressing a specific question, which we hope will provide results to better develop therapies that can help cancer patients. Is that in our case, we do basic research. So everything that we find provides the basis to understand why a disease might occur. But we are not addressing how we develop drugs that can reverse this situation. So I hope that we can make breakthrough science and provide all the knowledge that is needed in certain topics to develop better therapies. So to select the research team, I think you need to take into account the different characters and personalities that work with you. I have a very international team, NICR, and we work together. And a very important thing is that we have good relationships with each other because this is a teamwork. So we do not work as individuals, but as a team and try to help each other. The students are a very important part of this team, and they have to be passionate. They have to love what they do. I think that science is very demanding. Sometimes you have to sacrifice like some hours of sleep, or some weekends you have to come to the lab. So it has to be something that you enjoy doing, otherwise it can be very demanding. I think that during the last years, the Czech research has been growing and becoming strong. So in my field, what we are doing very international level, so we are becoming very competitive. And I think that Czech science has become stronger and stronger.